Welcome to the vid. Do you have anything to add?
Heyo!
We are off to the grocery store running errands for Mother because we're having a potluck, and for some reason every holiday or Hallmark day, we always make it a lot of work. You can't just gather with family and have a good time. You gotta like make stuff and plan things and decorate, and it's a lot of work. So we gotta go buy ingredients for recipes. So to combat this, I'm not cooking. I'm going to get Chinese takeout for this potluck. Ah yeah, wave at Mom. She's not waving. We have a tradition in our family where we wave at every departure. Right?
Yes, and if we don't, we get in trouble.
Yeah, so Mom's in trouble. What a day! Holiday it has been. We got to the grocery store, got the things we needed, came back, learned we got the wrong thing at the grocery store, so we had to go back, return the grocery. It was a thing of oats. I've never returned groceries before, so that was fun. We actually exchanged and got 10 cents back. Yay! Just got done taking the holiday pictures, but we're gonna take more with the family, in different locations in the same outfits.
Yes.
Made some puppy chow, ate an English muffin. I gotta go get my Panda Express. Oh yeah, we were just jumping around the attic.
Oh my God.
My goodness.
Naps are done. Yes, you napped. You snored quite a bit. I guess I snored too. Was I better? Was I louder than Dad? Well, I know I snore a little bit on my back, but Dad was rocking the house. Bailey was even snoring a little bit. And it's time to leave. I packed up my stuff. Just made it back to the cities. It was like a 4-ish hour drive. One of the main interstates, lights went off. One of the main roads was closed, so I had to take a detour. That took some time, but we are here. Yeah, the whole interstate was closed, which is kind of a bummer. I need to go to the bathroom really badly, so let's go. I'm back. I unpacked a little bit, and I'm tired. I am going to bed. My roommate is, I'm guessing, Ubering because he's not home, but I'm sleepy. I also think I got some sun today. I'm kind of a little red. Anyway, we are going to sign out, so do what's right, and you will see me tomorrow.